Hey guys, how you doing? On our way from Ushuaia to Punta Arenas in Chile, we finally decided to see some penguins. The next day we crossed the Magellan Strait with the ferry and turned right. I couldn't imagine how many animals we would see on the road. We saw a lot of rabbits, guanacos, and even one single flamingo. The only downside to see this place was a gravel road of 110 kilometers along the coast between us. As we arrived at the beach, it was already getting dark, so we had to put up our camp for the night. We drove now 100 kilometers over stone roads, and we're finally here. Faro Dungas something, I don't care. It's amazing. It looks beautiful. Maybe we'll see tomorrow some penguins. Now we're setting up camp. Camping by the beach. Lighthouse behind.
Improvised cooking.
Improvised all-style cooking. Tent is also set up. The next morning we did the thing that I thought I would never do in my life. We crossed the border illegally from Chile to Argentina. Guys, check this out.
Penguins.
So now we're crossing again the border from Argentina to Chile, illegally on the beach.
It was totally worth for seeing the penguin.
Now we crossed it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like or a comment, maybe subscribe, and see you next time. Bye guys.